Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. I'm just waiting for that other video to load. I haven't done anything differently, but I'm going to take this and I'm going to use the boundary tool. Then I'm going to move the boundary over. And I was actually using one that was pretty bad. This is pretty good. This has got good shape to it. But one thing you can always do when you're using the contour tool is go to Effects and Contour. Let's contour. We contoured at 0.1. Let's contour at 0.5. Now it's going to be quite a bit bigger. So that's an option, but what you can also do is go up to Object, break the contour part, and get the contour, and then contour to the inside 0.4, which is now going to give us 0.1. Go up to Object, break the contour apart, take the inside, let's move it down, let's make it red. Let's make it a hairline. So it'll cut. Now let's move it back over to the original logo and see what it looks like. You're going to get, this is going to be easier to cut out because it doesn't go into the letters. It doesn't go into the flower. Now I don't like this, but what you can do now is let's put it up. Let's go up to Object and break the curve apart, and we can take away that little inside figure. We could actually probably take away that inside figure. And now put this back. Well, I broke it apart, remember? So here's another option. Now, this will all cut out and basically be one piece of wood, with the exception of this. So you could take that and just put that back. So now it's going to be like 3 pieces of wood or 2 pieces of wood. You've got a different contour. So the laser is not going to go in here and cut here. This, I think, is going to be your better option. And then this way, this would be all one piece of wood. And quite possibly, let's do this. Let's take our contour and move it down. I'm just trying to think as a different option for them. Take the shape tool, grab these, hold down the control button so it doesn't move up and down. Then take your virtual segment delete key and delete this. Now what you're going to want to do is take your Smart Fill tool, fill that in and move it down. Left click, right click, make sure it's in, change it to a hairline. And then move that up and watch what happens. Now it's all one piece of cutout where this goes and cuts everything out. So this would be all one piece of wood. And then you could possibly glue it to another piece of wood, do a maple on top and a walnut on the bottom, or vice versa, and it would look pretty good. Now this is all going to be wood. Anything inside this red line is going to be wood. Or if they're just going to cut it out and glue it to another board. It just depends on I don't know what look they're wanting. I like this effect around the flower, and this would engrave and cut and be pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.